Welcome back, Crammers, to question 19. The airplane traveled from New York City to Los Angeles, traveling a distance of 3,980 kilometers in 5 hours and 24 minutes. Work out the average speed of the airplane, giving your answer in kilometers per hour correct to the nearest whole number. We can see here that the hours are given as 5 hours and 24 minutes. 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we can actually write this as 5 hours plus 24 over 60 minutes. And since it's kilometers per hour, we can simply write 3,980 divided by the hours is 5 plus 24 over 60. And we can put this into a calculator to find our answer. We have 3,980 divided by 5 plus fraction 24 over 60. We get 737.03, 737.03 to the nearest whole number. Since this is 0, we round down, and we have 737 kilometers per hour. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.